say no be only you waka come. Welcome back, Ekabo. Now well done. Now still na your health on top Wazobia TV, and this one is on top Start Times. For those of you who just enter the level, you fit to bust in and relate with us. If you want face our book, we dey on top Facebook, we dey on top Twitter. We even get our one personal email where you say feel relate with us. And now for all of this place, then we dey chop popo, gari, and fish. Now we dey talk of some of the reasons why hair loss, this hair they come up from hair. Say sometimes you get some kind of situation where they happen, and this hair, if it be say now just go where you get to, that one fit you got hair to come up for your body. If it be say you go do operation, you go do surgery, all of this now oyibo they call trauma. Yes, but to get one particular hair condition like this, some kind of situation where I know say they cause this hair loss, and I don't go pronounce that for me because this name it's too big. They call it telogen
effluvium.
Effluvium.
Telogen effluvium.
But now say this hair get program. It be like small picking. They get 3 phases. They get the growth phase, that's when the thing just they grow. They get the stage where they balance, and they get the stage where the thing they fall, that's a shedding phase. So any small thing, any small movement, any small trauma, any small thing go shock the thing. If you make the hair catapult from phase 1, far go reach phase 3 or even more safe, depending on how the thing they on top of your body.
My sister, say we want sunch them, some of the things where they cause this hair loss. The number one thing where I want to enter, open the ground. Now what's what they call anemia. And this is when blood don't short for your body. Yes, blood don't short. Especially some people then talk say some women, 1 in 10 between the ages of 20 to 49, they experience this anemia. Unto say we as women, they lose blood well. Blood they come up from different parts of our body, different times of the year, So therefore, we they experience this anemia well. And when this anemia they happen, now so hair they follow the commot. It gets some other symptoms, so like you go quick the tire, headache, you go the day dizzy, come be like say your hand, your leg, they white. But if hair loss follow them, make you know say na anemia. But how you go take no say na this anemia they cause them? Now when you go meet your doctor go do blood test, come tell you say, madam, blood don't short for your body, and that time you go know say, this thing where they happen to me, so now the fact say blood don't short, na in the cause am. So waiting you go do, very simple. Your doctor go recommend some kind of iron supplements because the most common cause of this anemia now waiting what they call iron deficiency anemia. And this when iron no day, because iron they help carry red blood cells, carry oxygen, as in red oxygen enter inside the red blood cells. So therefore, if iron no day, nobody to do the work. So therefore, you can't get low blood for your body. So he go recommend some of these iron supplements for you to take. Then on top that one, you feed the chop vegetable and some kind of food then where they help increase blood for your body. From there, we go the next thing where they cause them, and they call them autoimmune syndrome or autoimmune disease. Another name where they call them now alopecia areata. Now why they call them alopecia areata? This one now because now one area for your hair will come be like you don't see people where if you just see this side of their hair.
It go just shine, no hair. They can't like saying a ringworm or something, chop.
Go just wake up for morning, see say, this part of my hair, nothing there again. Now waiting they call alopecia areata. Waiting they cause this one. Now when your body only in one, you go the hyper. Come they fight different things. They fight different infection, different all the soldiers. Then they awake that they overfight. So they go come think say your hair too. Follow for all the badness, all the soldier then where they cause infection for inside body. So therefore they will come fight them, come destroy the matter. You will come see say your hair they fall out. What you can do for this one? You will go see your doctor. And dermatologists that they call them, those ones go recommend what you go use.
All right, from that one, they enter the dramatic weight loss. I know say all of us get New Year resolution as the New Year don't start, but that one no mean say you go do extreme, go the other side of the thing where the project where you want to do. If you lose weight, your hair too go follow you lose weight too. Your hair self go disappear. And say because we they watch the kind of way they chop, sometimes we don't go chop those things where you get those vitamins where you need to make your hair. They're very healthy. So I beg if you do weight loss, try make sure say you get all the balanced diet to make sure say yourself they on point. If your hair they come out and you do weight loss program, no worry, na temporary thing. You go still come back. From that one, we they enter over styling. If you they go salon with 15 chemicals as hair treatment, you will not pack and like say they hug you for body. They work out, they go salon, they feel cool and feeling like I am a foreign person. Deceive yourself not. Every time you enter dryer, you want wash your hair, enter dryer. You want style your hair, enter dryer. You want do put conditioner, enter everything dryer. This dryer, it cost bege for body.
Even hair straightener, all those ones they go take, say they want straighten hair. All na heats, all these heats, they make your hair they tin, they fall.
And all this chemical, you when they relax your hair 50 times, 100 times in a year. Hey, Marago. I better not they do them. I better not they do them. Make you stop them. Because those are the things that go make sure say the hair for your hair, you go disappear. And you know chop winch, oh. Not the winch. You don't chop them.
Yeah, so for environments, when your hair they fall like that, they go just assume, say, hey, this one don't chop winch. Anyway, the next one where we go enter now. Now, aging, you know, say, as person they old, they go. You not get as one do your hair go reduce. Unto say, more guy, your time for this area, don't they round up. So therefore, your hair too, go they round up. But make you not just worry yourself. Now, natural thing. For women, one way where you go help yourself, you go they wear wig, you go they style your hair. If not front they come out, style your hair in such a way that it go cover that place where they come out. Then from there, we go enter male pattern baldness. This one now the type where you go just see man. You get full hair, all of a sudden go be like say then draw M like this for a head. Now that one now genes they cause them. Then some kind hormones, male hormones, we don't they hyperactive. Some people they experience them. Some they inherit them from their papa or their papa before them. They go just discover say at one point for their life the whole hair will come back. Anyway, we don't search now all the some of the not be everything. No, we still get more. If you want to find out more, if you waka go our Facebook page, all the ones where my sister don't call before, you will get all the information from there. But now we want waka go our hairstyling studio, where our in-house hairstylist go search us some of the things where we feel do to take care of our hair, make our hair for well for this world. Make you not go anywhere because some of the things where you go here will surprise you when they come back.
No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return.